Yei is a county that is known traditionally in this country for producing food. Yei has been a food basket area for South Sudan for so many years, until 2016 when families left their villages because of conflict. There are many families that are beginning to coming back to South Sudan because there's belief that the country is slowly getting back to normal, and people don't feel comfortable staying in the refugee camps, in the refugee settlements in Uganda, in Congo. They feel they want to come back home.
Nasida Uganda yu kemnalunga bidi na ponda esar white. Ngolo tinda na ponda lo ngote nyo boni de kajula ko oto yala ngote nya ayan ngoto ala me mendanya na mana ponda kodo ngote nya ba ayan na kodo ba ipo na kodo ngaji sukulu sit ana yude osula na kodo ba ipo.
We know life is not easy. He has been in problems all along, but we hope that things will come to stand still. People feel abandoned. They are hard workers. They don't ask, they stand on their own. We normally know that agriculture is a backbone, and it's our life. We depend on agriculture. Without agriculture, things are hard on us.
Yala besugola karanga tajula dina ponda nide. Na rede unda mwana ponda kumoko na wengunda. Yala oti nande na nyosu na nalo yosa di. Na di na nyonyosu. Kina rio na yosu. Ai na sisida. Na nyonyosu.
This time around, we are introducing a new project, a new program in Yei River State. And this is a project that basically looks at supporting humanitarian work, resilience, recovery, and development. The program is looking at 2,800 households, targeting mostly women that are heads of households. This is technical training in agronomic practices, in how to manage and cultivate vegetables, how to reserve these seeds. These seeds are able to multiply. They are able to reserve them traditionally or even using better or improved methods. And they are able to use these seeds for the next farming season. And this continues even when the project has phased out. Church Aid has other programs in the area that have been ongoing. And with these programs, we have so far assisted over 3,500 households with our cash programs in the past 1 or 2 years. So these programs are targeting these families to give them the opportunity to rebuild their livelihoods back.
Na dole ja business na beron. Ala kina de la kina besa ala kina inde ba fu gelen taban kunu buru su de klo business la tana de la ba tinda ba gondo yo jere. Ni kina o tun yo su ala kunu ne besa na gorundi ngo gelen ba fu gele katan. Asa wanya kala gale do.
Manapandi kajuna hata do tinande da bomu gunyona gya naru. Manapandi kina pepeja. Hata yangu tusangana kama. Gadi sultana kulade. Kweli dini. Nyane kulya koro yete.
We know by introducing this project here, they'll have much benefit and even they'll stand on their own. Because we don't want these scenarios of depending on somebody or in any NGO. We want to stand by our own. And the roadmap is only to empowering them by giving the capacity building, to strengthen them, and give them knowledge how to raise on their own.